Leidreáin anna éasca chun an Ghaeilge a fhuaimniú níos fearr. D, S and T, otherwise known as the dental letters, can be pronounced in two different ways in Irish. They can either be pronounced with a sharp, kind of normal, let's call it, pronunciation if they're on a broad vowel, or if they're on a slender vowel, it's going to be a soft, slurred pronunciation. So what do I mean by this? Well, let's look at D first. If I have a broad vowel closest to D, that could be before it or after it or whatever, but the closest vowel is a broad vowel, then it's going to be normal, sharp pronunciation. Therefore, for me is going to be dum, dum. There's no real change to the D sound, it's the same as we'd expect in English, for example. But then, if I have the word for difficult, I have an E beside the D. That's a slender vowel, therefore it's going to be soft, kind of slurred pronunciation. It's going to be a j sound, it's going to be jacker, jacker. The same thing going on for similar words that have broad vowels on a D, jaliv or gia, for example. Same idea with S, we've got soft. Again, an A, doesn't matter that we have a fada on it, but it's still a broad vowel, so therefore it's sharp pronunciation, sock, compared to bruntanish. Bruntanish for presence. So it doesn't matter if it's at the start of the word, the end, or even in the middle, that letter still gets affected. Bruntanish is a key example because bruntanus with a sharp S would be the base word for present. But like most words that end with S, we change it into the plural by putting a little I before the S, therefore making it a slender S, and therefore changing the pronunciation from bruntanus, a present, to bruntanish, presence. Lastly, T. Tábhachtach is a great example since it has two sharp, in other words, broad T's, compared to the word for steep, which is richa. We've got that ch sound on the T, richa. Leid wadní smó, bí the wall ag patreon.com/learnirishonline.